I sold my minivan and bought a 15-year-old car.
What did you buy?
This is GX 470. Isn't she beautiful? Why did I sell a minivan and end up with a 15-year-old car? 4-wheel drive. So we were looking for something that was going to be reliable, fit the 3 kids in it without it being the truck, have it enclosed for groceries, things like that. A little bit of the minivan feel with 4-wheel drive. And getting rid of a car payment too. And this driveway. We've got a rusted out rear cross member here, especially this left side. So we bought it for the inside. Check out the crib. Just clarifying, I will not be driving with my baby like this. It's old.
Got it.
Take us back to that mid-2000s. Complete with garage door opener and a sunroof. Moonroof. What's sunroof versus moonroof?
All the interior bits work. Windows, door locks.
And it drives like a dream.
And still the height adjustable airbags, the
air
self-leveling
suspension.
rear. That is still working, which I hear goes out.
But that's okay, even if it did, because we got plans.
Which are...
Stay tuned. By the way, I've got heated seats.
This is a big play right here.
Oh, it has levels. We get it cranking. Don't forget about this comfort versus the sport mode.
Which, when it's 15 years old, it's wallowy and vague, no change at all, aight, and drivable.
Maybe one of the biggest pluses, it doesn't have a cracked dash.
Yes, this dash is intact. But we looked at a couple and their dashes were split here over the steering wheel, and then the passenger dash was just spider webbed. We don't know if this one's already been replaced or if it could crack in the future. So you see this? So if you're on a hill like this, you can lock the door open.
Looking at a 4Runner, but that only has 5 seats. But we wanted the option to have more than 5 people in the car, which the 4Runner can only have 5 people in the car in our price range.
Get in there. Oh, you let the carpet go too soon. So it's a two-handed job. You got it, you got it, you got it. Don't slip. Boom.
No problem. Back row actually seats 3, which would be pretty tight.
This will seat how many people total?
Total of 8 people.
And we can do 6 in the truck, and your minivan would do
7. But the minivan had a lot of room for cargo and comfort.
You're gonna have this much cargo storage for 8 people. But yeah, and the seat's pretty much on the floor. Hey, look at that. I wonder what this is gonna be used for.
So that's our GX 470. We're probably not going to go crazy like the truck or anything, but we are planning on making some modifications as well as getting some of this rust figured out. A new bumper in our future.
You getting cold yet?
Yep.
I'll drive the car and you walk and don't fall. I know what you're all thinking. Kevin, you're driving a 2019 truck. Your wife's now driving a 2005. I know. Actually, getting rid of the minivan was her idea. Since we got the truck, we do all the minivan type activities in the truck. I think secretly she's enjoyed doing some of the modifications on the truck. So don't tell her I said that. I just got Aubrey down for a nap. The last thing she told me as I was leaving her room said, "Okay, Dad, but I don't want any octopuses in the house."